How to greet people in Japanese. So let's start. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Good afternoon or hello. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Good evening. Sayonara. Sayonara. Goodbye. Matane. Matane. See you. Now, you can greet anyone in Japanese. Kaya kung gusto mo pang matuto ng Nihongo, magkaroon ng J-Cert at ma-experience ang Japan, enroll na sa learnmina.com.
Sa Mina, maraming kayang gawin.